I am panicking. Last night I did not sleep very well at all. I packed till like midnight. Now it's hitting me. Like the anxiety of driving across the country with all our stuff.
Janna, is this what your anxiety feels like? And he described it to me. I'm like, yeah. That's what I feel like it was every day. Sandwiches for the kids because they are gonna go play at a friend's house, which is super duper helpful. The tricky thing about today is that Brayden still has to work and we are moving tonight, and luckily we've been packing up for the past 2 weeks, but there's still a lot to do. I'm just feeling really blessed right now because we've been having a lot of friends help us move, and I don't think they know exactly how much help they are being. You're just gonna stay here then? No, sorry.
Yes. Yes.
So go eat your breakfast. You can have it for lunch. You have some over there. That's just it. Okay, here. There you go. Little switcheroo. You guys are gonna go to your friend's house today. I want you guys to be the biggest helpers, okay?
Okay.
Maya?
I don't want to.
Listen, your hair is in your face.
Oh, that's in my face.
The camera's in your face.
I'm panicking. I am panicking. Last night I did not sleep very well at all. I packed till like midnight. Now it's hitting me. Like the anxiety of driving across the country with all our stuff.
Like, Janna, is this what your anxiety feels like? And he described it to me. I'm like, yeah. That's what I feel like it was every day.
I understand. Okay, we're gonna go get the truck. Wish me luck. I get to drive this big thing.
I'm curious to see how big it is. Like,
we got the biggest one they have.
I hope it's big enough for
Penske
us.
truck. That's what we used. All right. I think it's supposed to be right around here. Oh my gosh, is that it? Pull up on this side of it. No way.
Holy.
It's the only one here. Oh my gosh, look at that.
We can live in this thing.
Yeah, that's a good idea. If we don't find a house, that's the trailer for our car. But it looks good. Like it looks like in really good condition. We went Penske because their trucks are super clean, so I'm excited to check it out.
Brayden's inside doing all the paperwork for the truck, and I'm waiting for him. I am just feeling so many emotions right now. The past 2, I don't know, 3, 4, 5, 6 even months, I've just felt so much stress about this because I have known this is going to happen for 6 months. I didn't know how or when or why. But with like searching for a house and like being on our own, moving our family across the country, I just feel like it's been so much pressure on us, and it's like everything has been building up to this moment, and combined with all that stress plus like saying goodbye to friends that we love so much, and like kind of closing up this chapter of our lives, it's all really sad and exciting at the same time. Anyways, I just feel like I am an emotional stress ball and I am going to explode. I just need an extra dose of sanity today and I don't have it. Prayers that we make it there safely and we don't go crazy.
As Janna mentioned to you, the kids are at a friend's house, and it's super nice because I went outside and cleaned up the yard, and I don't have to keep an eye on them, and I could just focus and get it wrapped up and done. It's raining, so I didn't show you that, but I probably will show you taking down the tramp later. Janna's in here, and we're just trying to hustle before the kids get home.
So I'm going through all my essential oils, and sometimes the labels come off. So I'm trying to like smell them and see if I can guess which one this is. I think this is thyme and coconut oil. Very tricky.
We're making good progress. These are the last couple boxes of the bathroom. I mean, if you look at that, it's basically empty.
Yesterday there was sun and there was rain, beauty in the mundane. And as the light startled our eyes, we let go of disguise.
Always sketchy getting up here. Up here, I'll look around the rest of the attic. And I'm just your typical attic. Woo! I think I need to just buy a ladder. That's what I mean. I don't know if Janna even knows how sketchy that is. All right, you guys ready for this?
Yeah.
We got the ramp down, we got it backed up. Kids are playing. Wow, look how big that truck is. You need help, Maya girl?
We're moving.
Oh, hey, take that back inside, please. Or put it over there in the garage. Thank you for your help. We're not ready for that. That'll get squished.
Yeah.
Here, boys. So this is inside the truck, obviously the cab. And Penske is sponsoring today's video. So it's pretty cool. We worked together, told them we were moving, and they said, yeah, let's work together. Are you checking it out?
No.
Nervous girl.
And now there's something in the air and a sparkly shimmer on our skin, restoring everything.
Mom and Dad showed up to help us, and we're so packed that we're eating on the floor.
Thank you, Brandon.
What do you think, Maya?
I think the table.
Where did the table go?
And in the boo-boo truck.
In the boo-boo truck? Yep, luckily we have some good friends that brought us some delicious food.
Helped us pack the truck.
Oh my gosh, yeah. So awesome. Okay, we're loading up the big old rig. Yay, look how easy that was. Is that Talmadge in there?
There it is. That's where he's gonna sleep the whole way to Idaho.
Okay, so this is my dad, Pappy, and he's gonna drive the big truck over here because he's a farmer and he's just good at it. But Braden actually said it wasn't that hard to drive. He was very impressed with how easy it was, but we're sure glad we have Pappy here to, to drive the truck for us. We got Granny in here. We are going to the airport. Are you guys ready to go to Idaho? Everyone's already grumpy. Ezra's the happiest of us all. Hi. Let's go to Idaho.
All right, they're all packed up and ready to go. You ready for this?
Yes, you better drive so careful.
I will. Kiss Indiana goodbye. We'll see you later.
You better drive so careful.
I will.
I love you.
Love you too.
Why do what?
Love you.
Take naps when you get tired.
Call me. Maya, I was giving little Maya a hug and she said, "You will miss me." Holy cow, that is so cute. Maya, nice. Mr. Ezzy's ready. Hey, I'm gonna miss you, beautiful boy. Be good for your mama, okay? Look at those teeth. You guys can see them. Love you, buddy. Love you, big boy. Help your mama, okay? Love you. Go to sleep. All right. So I just dropped them all off at the airport, and now I'm meeting up with Dennis. That's Janna's dad that she was showing you earlier. We're gonna sync up and drive together. Look at that load, that rig. My gosh, can you believe this is us? We're parked at the semis. I had to get this for documentation's sake. Seeing the truck go through all these beautiful trees, the colors, oh, we're leaving Indiana at like the saddest time to leave because the colors are just beautiful and just starting to change here. Bye, Indiana. I'll be a Hoosier forever.
Hand in hand, building castles out of sand, reaching for the grand. As willows align, we lose track of time.
Woo! Believe it or not, I actually slept for that, like that, for about 11 minutes. And I woke up scared because I thought I had slept for hours. And I looked at the time on my phone, 11 minutes. But I feel a lot better. I think Janna's dad's actually asleep. I'm impressed. Okay, made it to York, Nebraska. It's, I don't even know what time. It's 8:30 in Idaho, 10:30 in Indiana, 9:30 in Nebraska. We're exhausted, we're stopping for the night. Really good progress, 15 hours to go tomorrow. All right, here we go. Day 2. There goes the Penske truck starting up nicely. Good old Honda minivan starting up.
Not yet. Daddy's here. Let's go get him. Come on. Oh my goodness. You made it. Ah! I'm so glad you made it.
It's good to be back. Hi! Did you like living in Idaho? Hey! Have you been having a good time? Don't hit me! Stop! Stop!
Give
me a hug! Hey! Little turd. Hi!
You made it back safe in one piece.
So long. Oh my God.
So long. Okay, let's go
Don't
inside.
wanna do
It's
that
freezing
again.
cold.
It is so cold here. It's good to be home. We made it. We made it to Idaho, you guys. We did it. It got wild and snowy. Let me show you the car. It got very, very crazy there in Wyoming. Look at under here. Crazy. And just covered. Very grateful to Janna's parents for helping us, and just everyone involved that helped us load the truck, and all the family members. I probably called 20 or 30 different friends and family members to keep my mind engaged while we drove the 35 plus hours, and Janna's dad for driving, and the good Penske truck for keeping us safe.